kaya ako sinabi ko actually sa kanila, especially kay Justin, I salute him sa talagang ginagawa niya, sacrifice for the team. Talagang hindi talaga laruin yung situation niya, pero nilaban niya from last game. And then nakita niyo naman yung struggle niya no first half. Talagang nahihirapan siya, but again in the end he's still there. He showed the never say die spirit. I told them before the game, let's win this for the fans and for our families. Yun, nag-respond naman sila ng second half. Pangit yung first half namin, but they responded during the second half. This kind of series, it's for the fans and for our families and for each other. Yun na yung sinabi ko sa kanila during the huddle in the first, before the tip-off and then during the halftime. So,
yung momentum on your side, ano masasabi mo, mako-close mo na ba ito sa games?
So, close-out games are really the hardest part of the series, especially against the team of Talk 'N Text. Depensahan I'm sure we've been in this situation before. Ibang series against Meralco. We lost twice. So, alam namin yung feeling, no? So, and the good news is, alam namin yung feeling. Nandito kami at talunin kami ng 2 beses. So, alam na namin kung anong kailangan namin gawin going to Game 6. Our Game 6 will be our Game 7. Definitely. So, yun lang yung kailangan namin mentality going to practice on tomorrow and Tuesday. So, good.